Hello, I got this thing, which is basically, you know how you can blow bubbles with bubble gum? This allows you to blow bubbles with plastic. There are holes in it, so just give me a moment. So, you see this? Let me bring it closer. This is genuine plastic. Same plastic as in a plastic bag, and right now it is fairly malleable. But if I go now, it's no it's no less plastic that you find in a plastic bag than anything else. So I'm just gonna throw it away. It's pretty cool, and you can create some cool sort of plastic bubbles out of it. Like you can mold and shape them. This is called plastic bubbles. Pretty creative name if I do say so myself. So I have been running out, but if I just squeeze some out and push it over, you squeeze it out and then you and there are holes forming, so that's kind of annoying. But check it out. It's more. So I'll just put that down there, and I can now kind of shape it. I can squeeze it down. See, it's like a little thing. I'll try to shape this, and it's pretty cool. So if I get better at it, I could probably make some stuff like triangles or squares or cubes. So plastic bubbles, it's pretty neat. I just wanted to show you guys that.